Hey guys, whether GST registration can be cancelled on retrospective basis merely on the ground of non-filing of the GST return for certain period. In this specific case, I am going to discuss with you one important case study which is pronounced by the Honorable Delhi High Court in case of Messrs. Friends Media Ad Company versus Principal Commissioner of Goods and Services Tax. And this will be a very much important case study in our day-to-day practices. So first I am going to explain you the scenario, and then after we'll go through with the particular case study. So in this situation, taxpayer has not filed the return for a period, and due to non filing of the GST return for certain period, tax authority has cancelled the GST registration from retrospective basis without providing any opportunity for the being earned. So in that case, the particular tax authority has passed the order without giving an opportunity to be being earned, and they cancel the GST registration from retrospective basis. In this specific situation, Honorable Delhi High Court has pronounced the decision that the registration cannot cancelled merely on the ground of non-filing of the return for certain period. They need to provide, that means the taxpayer tax authority needs to provide the opportunity to the taxpayer. And this is the most important thing. Before cancelling the registration from retrospective basis, there is requirement to provide one show cause notice to the taxpayer so that taxpayer can submit their contention. So this is a very important judgment for our day-to-day GST practices for handling the case study. So just go through with the case study from the language. So in this case, the Honorable Delhi High Court has pronounced the decision and the fact of the situation that the registration of the Friends Media Ad Company versus Principal Commissioner के केस के अंदर the GST registration of Messrs. Friends Media Ad Company has cancelled from retrospective basis, and the show cause notice has not been issued in this specific situation. So the legal issue is that the GST registration can be cancelled retrospective without providing a opportunity to the taxpayer. This is the issue which is involved in this particular scenario. So the Honorable Delhi High Court has pronounced the decision that as per the justice, there is requirement to provide one show cause notice to the taxpayer when you are cancelling the GST registration on retrospective basis at least. Okay, so this is the same ground which is considered opportunity is required, and also there is requirement that merely the conditions which is mentioned in section number 29 subsection 2 is not sufficient for cancellation of GST registration from retrospective basis. For cancelling the registration, you need to provide one opportunity to the person. So this is the principal ground, this is the basic ground in this specific case, the opportunity to being earned. And on the basis of this specific ground, the Honorable Delhi High Court has pronounced the favorable decision for the taxpayer. So this ground is very basic, but the complete play is on account of this particular ground only. So this is a very important case study for our day-to-day practices. To know these type of facts, like, share and subscribe this channel. Also, the link to download this PDF file is provided in the description box. You can download it, you can click on the link, you will directly move to the website and you can easily download the PDF file. Thank you.